arms in lateral position. Both arms are at one side, either sideward, right or left. This may be done at shoulder or waist level. Kumintang. Moving the hand from the wrist either in a clockwise or counterclockwise direction. This is an Ilocano term. Sarok. Cross the right foot in front of the left. Bend the body slightly forward and cross the hands down in front with the right hand over the left. Just like this one. Bilao. To turn hands up and sewn alternately. Hands at waist level in front, elbows close to waist. Brush. Weight on one foot, hit the floor with the ball or heel of the other foot. Dosido, a figure in square dancing in which two persons advance, pass around each other back to back, and return to their places. Hayon-hayon, to place one forearm in front and the other at the back of the waist. This is a Visayan term. Pivot, dance turns in which the performer's body rotates about its vertical axis without traveling. Point, touch lightly with the toes of one foot, weight of the body on the other.